Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this tower fan. So guys, it comes nice and packaged, nice, safe, and secure. Comes with a nice manual and remote. So on the remote, you have on-off, speed, mode, auto, oscillating, and timer. So it can go back and forth as well. Alright guys, for the base, it's going to be pretty simple. As you can see, you have two screws here. So you just unthread these here. Take these out. And as you can see, you got two spots here and one spot. So you just align the two spots right there. And then you thread them right back up and you connect this together. It's very simple. So make sure you put the line through. So I recommend you put the line underneath already to start. So the line's actually going to come out on this piece here, under through there. So we're going to feed it the other way. So just like that, now the line comes out and then we can set this on top. These pins just simply all connect in place. You just slide it and then press it down once you have the line in the center. So then you make it one piece just like this, and now we set this down on. So you'll line it up just like this, and now we put the screws right back in just like this. And just like that, guys, we now got it on, and as you can see, temperature. So it's got the temperature on here. Multiple different modes. Different fan speeds. Wow. That really blows. Oh my word. Let's see if we can show you guys here. Let's turn the oscillating on. I mean, that really blows. As you can see, it keeps that off. I mean, look at that. That is insane. That is a lot of air. Alright, let's turn that off. And you can adjust all your settings up here. Drop it down. You have auto mode. You have manual, so it can automatically turn on at a certain point. Looks like you have nighttime mode or sleep, timer. You can go up to 12 hours. On and off. And I love that it shows the temperature. Let's check out the remote. So the remote works great as well. Overall, this is a really nice fan. It blows a lot of air. I'm talking a lot of air. Like, you guys are gonna be shocked how much air this tower blows. Like, it's very impressive. Very impressive. So it pulls in air all throughout here. This whole thing from top to bottom. And then it blows it from this section right through here, and it's a lot. Like, you guys, when you get this, you're gonna be shocked. Very, very cool. No pun intended. This is gonna work great for summertime up in our office.